So we'll cover up entire grammar rules. Now today's the day is a very important day. We'll cover entire grammar rules in French. Is it clear to you, bachcho? Entire grammar rules. Now, for example, être, we have avoir, we have a lot of things clear. Now tell me further, bachcho. Tell me, what is être present tense? Make it fast, please. What is être present tense? Tell me,
Je
please.
suis, il
Je
allait,
suis,
je
tu es,
suis,
tu es, tu,
il
Oui,
allait,
il
il,
elle
est.
est
elle
là,
est, nous
Pen
sommes,
down, please.
on,
Répétez après
vous
moi.
êtes,
Je suis,
ils, elles sont.
tu es,
tu
il,
es,
elle est, c'est clair. Nous sommes, c'est clair. Vous êtes, c'est clair. And ils, elles sont, c'est clair. All of you, is it clear to you? Now, what is
yes,
être past tense? So, être pepe is été. Être pepe is été because we have a ague with A and E with ague. We have two E. So, all E we have a ague. C'est clair. So, what is
yes,
I been? Tell me. What? J'ai été we have done yesterday.
j'ai
J'ai
été,
été.
J'ai été, tu étais,
What is the formula of past tense? Either I have to use our present tense
avoir,
and être present tense.
être,
But for être present tense, we have to take
avoir,
our conjugation. So tu as été, c'est clair. Il, elle a été, c'est clair. Is it clear to you? Nous avons été. Is it clear to you?
yes,
Vous avez été, c'est clair. Is it clear to you? Yes, Karan, Sonal.
yes,
Ils, elles ont été. C'est clair. D'accord? Now, what is the lamp parfait? What is the lamp parfait of être? Tell me, please. Répétez après moi. J'étais. C'est clair. Is it clear to you? And this E we have a ague. J'étais. This E. This E we have a symbol. J'étais. C'est clair. Tu étais. Is it clear to you, all of you, please? Participate with me, please. Répétez après moi. Il, elle était. C'est clair. Nous étions. C'est clair. Vous étiez. C'est clair. And il, elles étaient. C'est clair. Is it clear to you, बच्चों?
yes,
Clear हो रहा है? Is it clear to you? Tell me please yes and no.
yes,
All of you, is it clear to you? Now, for
yeah,
example, what is a futur? What is the future of être? Exactement. What is the future of être? So, répétez après moi. Je serai ex. See, what is the formula of future? Re, ra, ra, ron, re, ron. This is the future basically. This is my future. Re, ra, ra, ron, re, ron. Tell me, what is the formula of future tense? Répétez après moi. Re, ra, ra, ron, re, ron. Répétez après moi.
ré, ra, ra, ro, ré,
yeah,
ro.
Is it clear to you, just Karan? Clear?
yes,
So, re, ra, ra, ron,
ra,
re, ron.
rosé,
So, I can
Ro,
say, I
ré,
will, je serai.
ro.
You will, tu seras. C'est clair.
choose,
Il, elle sera. C'est clair. Nous serons. C'est clair. Vous serez. C'est clair. And ils, elles seront. C'est clair. Is it clear to you? All of you, please tell me yes and no.
yes,
Clear? Now, what is the conditional of être? You know what is conditional? Conditional, c'est-à-dire quoi? C'est votre would. The sentence of would. You know, I would, you would. So, what is the conditional of être? Because we'll work a lot of grammar rules today. Say Claire, is it clear to you, my team? So tell me, what is the conditional of être? So répétez après moi. RAIS, yes, this is my formula. Ray, is it clear to you? Because you know your Lamparfe ending is what? AIS, and conditional with conditional. If you will add on R with Lamparfe ending, this is my conditional. AIT with Lamparfe and RAIT with conditional. Is it clear to you? Tell me yes and no. IONS with lamp parfait, right? But R with conditional. IEZ with lamp parfait. Tell me, team, yes and no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And conditional with RIEZ. Say Claire. Yes, Karan, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
AIENT with lamp parfait. And R, if you add on R, this is my conditional. Say Claire. So that
Can you give me an example?
I will give it to you later on. Je serai, say Claire. Tu serais, say Claire. Elle serait, say Claire. Nous serions, say Claire. Vous seriez, say Claire. And elle seraient. Is it clear to you? All of you? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, for example, let's give the example. Parler. You say, I would speak. You say, Gangjot ma'am, I would speak.
Yes, sir.
So what is I would speak then? The ending is what? Tell me a conditional ending. RAIS, RAIS, RAIT, Claire, RIONS, RIEZ, RAIENT. Say Claire. If I will say I would speak, so je parlerai. Say Claire. Je parlerai. Say Claire, I would speak. Tu parlerais, you would speak. Say Claire. Elle parlerait. Is it clear to you, all of you? Tell me yes and no. Nous parlerions. This is my I would speak, you would speak, he, she would speak, we would speak. Because this is my ending. Rion, rie. Say Claire. Is it clear to you? All of you, please. Jaskaran and Sonal, is it clear
Yes.
to you?
सर
Mhm,
yes, sir. जो कंडीशनल है
mhm.
वो वुड है.
Yes. This is what. Say Claire. Claire.
और जो हाँ जी सर, और जो ये रे रे
ये बच्चे
रे
ये फ्यूचर है, ये विल
विल
है.
है.
एक्सेप्ट रे रा रा
रा
रो
रो
रे
रे
रो
रो
is my will, is my will.
विल.
Is it clear to you? But and
Yes.
RAIS formula, it means
Would.
Lamparfait ending with R. Say Claire, this is my, देखो Lamparfait ending है ना, is it Lamparfait ending? Say Claire, but you have to insert R with Lamparfait ending. Say Claire, this is my conditional. Now, for example, is it clear to you, बच्चों? For example, let's take the example of I speak. What is I speak? You speak. Parler is my ear ending
You
verb.
parle.
Tu parles, il parle,
You parle.
vous parlez, il parle. Say Claire. What is I spoke? Parler,
You parle.
no. Parler verb clear.
Yes.
So it is something like past indefinite. So I have to make agu, pepe,
Yes.
plus avoir conjugation je
Yes.
parle.
You parle.
Je parle, agu, because we have to create pepe plus avoir. What to say you spoke? Tell me, fatavat Jaskaran. What to say you spoke?
You parle.
Tu as parlé. What is he, she spoke? Fatafat.
Il parle.
Parler, agu. C'est clair? D'accord? C'est clair? Okay. Nous avons parlé, vous avez parlé. C'est clair? Sonal, is it clear to you?
Yes.
What if I will say I was speaking? If I will say I was speaking.
You parle.
Exactement. Je parlais. L-A-I-S. C'est clair? Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Clear? Tu parlais. C'est clair? Elle parlait. A-I-T. C'est clair? Is it clear to you, all of you, please? Tell me yes and no.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Claire? What if I will say I will speak? You will speak. So what is the formula of I will speak, you will speak? Re, ra, ra, ro, re, ro.
Yes.
Formula re, ra, ro, re, ro. मैं रब this, मैं रब कर दूं बच्चों बैठ, मैं रब this,
Yes, sir.
so I can say je parlerai, tu parleras, il parlera, nous parlerons, vous parlerez, ils parleront. C'est clair. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
All of you, is it clear to you? So you came to know what? Okay, if I will say I have spoken, I have spoken. J'avais parlé.
J'avais pas.
C'est clair. EAQ. Because in case of I have spoken, in this verb, I have to use either avoir and être l'imparfait parfait. C'est clair. Is it clear to you, all of you? Tell me, please. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, for example, now let's pick the verb. Okay. For example, if I will say I would have spoken, team ये बहुत important है. हम बोलते हैं I would have spoken. You would have spoken. Would have come if. Now we'll work for a hypothetical situation. If you would have come on time, बोलते हैं. Tell me, please. You could have blah, blah, blah. Now, team, one thing you have to understand. Listen to me very carefully. आपको लैम्प पार्फे, फ्लूका पार्फे, लैम्प पार्फे, फ्लूका पार्फे, is it clear to you everything? The concept of लैम्प पार्फे, फ्लूका पार्फे, passe compose, is it clear to you? Everyone, all of you, please tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Now,
sir.
team, one thing you have to understand, whenever there's a past, it could be any past, spoken past, say Claire, any past, if you are using the word, if you're using the form of third form, second form in French language, you have to understand. Now, for example, I have spoken. What is that? I have spoken.
J'avais parlé.
Because your mind circulate in a way wherein it is past, so either I have to use avoir and être, because if I will say I have gone, you will think gone, ale, e-agu, but e-agu because past ale, because this my être family verb. Just j'étais allé, yes. See, Claire, all of you, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
See what you think. Now, for example, you're making I have gone, you have gone, yeah, I have spoken. What you think? You dramatically think for our and être. Tell me yes and no. Say Claire, because spoken is my what? Our family verb. So you're making l'em parfait of our j'avais. Say Claire, j'avais parlé. If I'm saying I have gone, so dramatically you think for verb, our and être. In past, you have to think for our and être, then you make. Now, for example, in I have gone, I have to make a formula of l'em parfait of our and être. Is it clear to you? In case of I have gone, you have gone, in these type of sentences, I have to make the, this is we call as pluka parfait. So I have to go for our and être formula. Tell me yes and no. But in that case, I have to use our être l'em parfait. Say Claire, is it clear to you, all of you? Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
But in case of, again, if I will say I went, I spoke. So what do you think? Again, you think for our and être. Say Claire, is it clear to you? But in that case, you use our être present tense. So, je suis allé. Why je suis allé? Because went is my être family verb, je suis allé, and I spoke. I can say j'ai parlé. I have to use our present tense. Say Claire. Is it clear to you? And paper of the verb. Is it is it clear to you, all of you? Tell me yes or no. Again, we have I would have spoken. Now, in that case, again, when it is the past, you have to think for our and être. But in that case, you have to think for wood of our and ether. Say Claire. You have to think for wood of our and ether. Bachcho, is it clear to you? Now, bachcho, what is ether wood? हमने किया अभी यस सरे, हमने किया है अभी यस सरे, चू सरे, our wood. Tell me, बच्चों, is it clear to you? What is our wood, बच्चों? Tell me. Yes, sare, chu sare, ilal sare, nu sariyon. All of you, is it clear to you? Yes, Karan.
Yes, sir.
Sonal. Sonal, is it clear to you? Sonal, Sonal, you there? Is it clear to you, Sonal? Ganganjot ma'am, is it clear to you? Jay, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Shane, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
See, you have to understand for first, because what is ether wood? Je serai exactement, exactement. Tu serais, répétez après moi. Je serai, répétez après moi. Je serai,
Yes, sir.
tu serais,
Tu serais,
elle serait,
il serait,
nous serions,
nous serions,
vous seriez,
vous seriez,
Vous seriez.
elle serait. Now,
il
what is the
serait.
wood of our word? So, formula is same.
Alright.
Ray, R-A-I-S, R-A-I-T. Wood formula is same. All of you, is it clear to you? R-I-E-Z, R-A-I-E-N-T. Just Karan, please tell me, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Sonal,
Yes, sir.
Shane,
Yes, sir.
Jay,
Yes, sir.
Aganjot ma'am.
Yes, sir.
But one thing you have to understand, our would start from AU. Yes. H would start from SE, like you learn. SMR would is I will, I-W-I-L-L. You learn. You learned exactly. Shell, S-H. What is shell? Why shell? S-H-A-L-L. You learned, right? So the same way you have to understand, my H would start from SE and my hour would start from AU. Say Claire. And this only happened with your irregular verbs. For example, we already have done I would speak. Je parlerai. Say Claire. वहां पे कोई changes नहीं है. There's no changes. But जो verbs हमारी irregular version पे हैं, जैसे हमारा जो see we have a present tense. Je, tua, ilala. These are my different endings, right? The ending is not same. So in that case, my future also starts from a different way. So is it j'aurais is I would have. Say Claire. Tu auras. Tu aurais, sorry. Clear? Il, elle aurait. Say Claire. Nous aurions. Say Claire. All of you, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir. ये our वर्ब का है ना सर?
ये our, yes. Vous auriez and il, elles auraient. This is my our word. Say Claire. Clear? So répétez après moi. Je serai, tu serais, il, elle serait, nous serions, vous seriez, il, elle serait. What is that? This is my ether word. Say Claire. Clear?
Yes.
Because you know the formula of word. Ray, formula is same. Formula will not get changed, my team. Only we have to understand the starting of ether word is SE. Formula is same. R-A-I-S, R-A-I-S. It is just you to understand the our would start from AU. Say Claire. Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
Claire. Now again, if I will say I would have gone, I would have spoken. Tell me, spoken belongs to what? Our family verb.
Our
Tell-
family.
So what is the word of our? J'aurais.
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 Say Claire. This is my hypothetical situation which you will understand. J'aurais. What is spoken? Parler.
Parler.
Aigu because past. If I will say I would have gone. Gone belongs to what?
Je serais.
Exactement. Je serais allé. Say Claire and aigu. Say Claire. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
All of you. Claire. Now this is my conditional passé. This is my conditional passé. Conditional past. Say Claire. Is it clear to you, बच्चों? बच्चों क्लियर हो रहा है आपको? All of you, please tell me, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Now, for example, if I asked you, I would have eaten,
I would have done.
I ate, I have eaten, and I was eating. Fatafat, let's see who will respond first. I would have eaten. Fatafat, tell me.
J'aurais mangé.
J'aurais mangé.
Exactement, j'aurais mangé.
J'aurais
C'est très
mangé.
bien, excellent, excellent. J'aurais, c'est clair. J'aurais mangé, aigu, c'est clair. If I will say I ate, who will say? Fatafat.
J'ai mangé.
Exactement, j'ai mangé, c'est clair, d'accord? Because in French language, if you have a grammar very strong, you can speak like Farafat, c'est clair. I have eaten, tell me.
J'avais mangé.
Exactement, c'est clair, d'accord? If I will say I was eating, je mangeais,
J'ai mangé.
c'est clair. Is it clear to you, all of you?
Yes, sir.
C'est clair. Now, for example, if I will say I walk, I walked, I have walked, I was walking, I would have walked, I would have walked, and I have walked. Can you tell me, I have walked or we have already have done? I walked. Say Claire now. Tell me who will say Fadafat. I have walked. Fadafat. Make it fast, please.
J'avais travaillé.
J'avais बच्चे marché. Marché is my verb to walk.
Je-
Marché. Try is to walk. Marché. C'est clair? Very good. J'avais marché. Je marché. C'est clair? I was walking. What is I would have walked? Tell me.
J'aurais marché.
Marché.
J'aurais marché. C'est clair?
Sorry.
C'est clair? J'aurais marché. C'est clair? And I walked. J'ai marché.
J'ai marché.
Now, in sense, what is this sense? In this sense, you're looking for avoir and être. C'est clair. Is it clear to you, all of you? Please tell me yes. बच्चों clear हुआ आपको?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Now, for example, if I will say I walked, I have walked, I would have walked, I would have worked. Say Claire. I would have worked. Say Claire. And I was walking. Say Claire. Now what you will say? Tell me, please.
J'ai travaillé.
Travailler.
Travailler. Exactement. J'ai
Travailler.
travaillé. Say Claire. Shane, is it clear to you, bache? E, we have a ague. What is I have worked?
J'avais travaillé.
Exactement. J'avais travaillé. Say Claire. Is it clear to you? I would have worked.
J'aurais travaillé.
Exactement. J'aurais travaillé. And what is I was working? Je travaillais. A-I-S. Say Claire.
Yes.
Is it clear to you? Clear, bachon?
Yes, sir.
No. 1 second.
Yes, sir.
One second, please. So let me take you to the conditional past exercise. Say Claire. Let's see who will respond for effort. Now, first, I want to explain to you some different verbs. Now, for example, 1 second. Let me take to the screenshot. Now, for example, we have verb partir. Now, these are the verbs, which we have a different endings. Say Claire. Partir is a verb to leave. Tell me yes or no, bachon. Say Claire. Repeat after me. Partir. Repeat after me. Partir.
Partir.
So what is the present tense of partir verb? Repeat after me. Je pars.
Je
Tu pars. C'est clair. Il, elle part. C'est clair. Nous partons. C'est clair. All of you, is it clear to you? Vous partez. And il, elle part. C'est clair. Is it clear to you, all of you? Tell me yes and no.
Yes. Yes.
Now, for example, what is the past participasse? The pepe of partir is parti. The pepe. Pepe we have to understand. Say Claire. The pepe of partir is parti. Say Claire. Is it clear to you? Now, partir
Yes, sir.
belongs to my what? Ether family verb. Tell me yes and no. We have done. Because the black movement, you leave, you go out, get out. So there's something like partir is my, ether family verb. We have done ether family verbs, right? Sortir, partir, these are my, pen down please. These are my ether family verbs. So if I will say I left, so what you will say? Je
suis parti.
parti. Say Claire. And if you're a girl, you have to apply E at the end. Say Claire. Tu es parti. Say Claire. Il, elle est
Parti.
parti. Say Claire. And if you're a girl, say Claire, you have to apply E at the end with L. Say Claire. Nous sommes
partis.
parti. We have to insert S only in case of ether family verb. If you are a plural, say Claire. Vous êtes parti. Say Claire. Is it clear to you? And nous, sorry. Ils, elles sont. Say Claire. Is it clear to you, all of you? Please tell me yes and no. Parti. With il we have S, and with L we can add ES. Say Claire. Is it clear to you, bachu?
Yes.
So bachu, if I will say I was living, what you will make? We have to go for a new conjugation.
Habiter.
Tell me. I was living. Je partais.
Just
Say Claire. All of you, is it clear to you? Il, elle, tu partais, il, elle partait, nous partions, vous partiez, il, elle partait. Is it because what is the lamp parfait? We have to take the help of new conjugation of present tense, parto, ONS remove, and make the formula. Is it clear? Tell me yes and no.
yes.
Clear हो रहा है आपको?
Yes.
Yes.
All of you, please tell me yes and no.
Yes, ये sir. lamp
Yes,
पे है,
sir.
sir.
Yes, lamp parfait. Say Claire. Is it clear to you? Because we have to make ONS and AIS, AIT. Say Claire. Is it clear to you? Now, what is I will leave? So what's the formula? Re, ra, ron, re, ron. Tell me what you know. Re, après moi. Re, ra. Now, this is the example which we are doing with the future tense. I will leave. Je partirai. You will leave, tu partiras. What is the form of future? Tell me. Re, ra, ron, re, ron. Say Claire.
Yes, sir.
Je partirai, tu partiras, il, elle partira, nous partirons, vous partirez, il, elle partiront. Say Claire. Is it clear to you? All of you.
Yes, sir.
Now, for example, if I will say, I have left. For example, if I will say,
J'étais parti.
exactement, you're very intelligent, exactement. J'étais parti. Say Claire, because parti is my être family verb, and in that case, I have to use l'em parfait of être. Say Claire, so répétez après moi. Jaskan, can you repeat it, bache? J'étais parti. Can you speak up, please?
J'étais parti, tu étais parti, il était parti, elle était partie, nous étions partis, vous étiez partis, ils étaient partis.
Elles étaient partis. If I will say, for example, okay, if I will say, I would have left, what do you
Je
make?
serai parti.
Exactement, je serais parti. Is it clear to you, all of you? Shane, clear हो रहा है आपको?
Yes.
May I write it down and you will write it for your own self? Tell me, please. Tell me, please.
आप लिख दो सर.
Okay. So je serai parti, tu serais parti, c'est clair. Elle serait parti, c'est clair. Nous serions partis. Is it clear to you? Vous seriez parti. Is it clear to you, बच्चों? Tell me yes and no. And vous seriez parti and elle serait parti. Is it clear to you? All of you, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Say clear.
Yes.
Yes.
Now pen down please sortir verb. My verb to go out.
Go up.
Say clear. Sortir. Tell me sortir verb present tense.
Je sors. Tu sors.
Exactement. Very
Yes, so
Il sort.
good. Sort. Very good.
Nous sortons.
Sort. Say
Vous
clear.
sortez.
Elle
Elle sort.
sort. Very good. Excellent. Nous sortons. C'est clair. Vous sortez. C'est clair. And elle sortent.
so
C'est clair. Now what is sortir past? Tell me.
Sorti.
Sorti. Very good. Sorti. C'est clair. Now what is, if I will say I went out?
Je suis sorti.
Exactement. Je suis sorti. C'est clair. Tell me, Just Karan. We went out. Just Karan. We went out. We went out.
Nous sommes partis.
Yes. Nous sommes sortis. C'est clair. Is it clear to you? Okay. Nous sommes sortis. C'est clair. If I will say I have when, if I will say in terms of I have gone out, what you will make?
J'étais sorti.
J'étais
Yes.
sorti.
J'étais sorti. 1 second, please. Yeah. J'étais. 1 second, please. Yeah. 1 second. 1 second. Okay. Exactement. J'étais sorti. If you say we went out, what you will make? Sorry. We have gone out. We have gone out. Mhm.
Nous étions
Nous étions sortis.
sortis.
Clear हो रहा है?
Yes.
Okay. If you'll make I would have gone out. I would have gone
Je
out.
serai sorti.
Exactement. Je serai sorti. C'est clair. All of you, is it clear to you? Pattern clear हुआ सभी को?
Yes.
Clear?
तो have वाला नहीं आएगा सर, जैसे je serai सोती है तो
Have वाला?
Je-
तो
हाँ जी।
j'étais आएगा have में. J'étais sorti. That is I have gone out. Clear? If I say I would have gone out, तो je serai sorti. C'est clair?
I would have
I would have gone
have with
hypothetical. Hypothetical. तो je serai sorti. C'est clair?
this.
Clear? All of you, is it clear to you? Tell me, please. बताओ सोनल, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
सभी को? चलो फिर बनाओ. कुछ वर्ब्स देता हूँ जो आपको बनानी है. Say clear. Okay. I'm giving you a task now. I'm giving very simple verbs. अभी हम simple verb से काम करेंगे. जैसे for example, we have year ending verb. Clear? Now pen down please. You have to convert present. Pen down please. आपको क्या क्या करना है? You have to convert present. Pen down please. Past. मतलब past से compose है. Lamp parfait. Clear? Lem parfait, plus ka parfait, matlab I have gone wala. Clear? Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Then you have to make futur. Then you have to make conditional. Then you have to make conditional passé. Is it clear to you? Can you do that? Now, I'm giving you some verbs. Team, listen to me very carefully. This would be your task. Abaisse is my verb to push and to pull down. Repte apremo abaisse. Repte apremo abaisse.
Abyss.
Abime is my verb to ruin. खराब कर देना. Abime. Repte apremo. Team, ये
Abime.
end हो जाएगी अभी बच्चों. The meeting would be end, I would say, in the next a few seconds. So this would be your task. You have to convert these verbs, you know, in present, past, lem parfait, plus que parfait, conditional, conditional passé, and futur. C'est clair? Sonal, is it clear to you? This would be your task. You have to submit your task. C'est clair? So,
Yes.
arriver, bouger, brosser, convert these verbs. C'est clair? We have 8 tenses. How many tenses we have? Present, past,
Present, past.
lem parfait, plus que parfait, conditional, future, conditional passé. Convert these terms in 7 tenses. Can you do that? Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.